Okay, hey guys, got a review today. My grandma got me this, one second, TF-106 mini crossbow. It's a pistol crossbow made by shiueh. It's 80-pound draw, and as you can see over there, that pistol crossbow draws back 50. It doesn't come with one of these. This one draws back 80, and it does come with one of these, which is pretty beast. Yeah, you step on it and it pull it back. Pretty cool. So first we came with that, and we got 3 of these aluminum darts. One second. I used to have a bunch of these that I shot with my other one, and they're all lost now. Then we have the actual body itself. Oh, there we go. Get some light on here. There's, oh, that's my charger, sorry. There's a footstep, 3 deals. And then we have, this is, I guess, the safety of her. I can't get it one-handed, but that pops back. Full of this back. Pretty good looking sights. Nothing really different. On my other one, I didn't have that on there. I took my sights off. I'm gonna keep these ones on. Actually shot this sucker in. It'll be pretty accurate. So I won't have to step on the blade or whatever to pull it back. That's gonna be a problem. Look at this. This is rubber. It just bends. Oh, I don't know. And it's probably just gonna be to where I can just aim with it. Now we have bag with our string ends, or the bow ends. Some plates for friction stop plates for in there. Last we have the shiueh 80-pound limb or whatever. I don't know what you want to call it. One second. Here's my old pistol crossbow. Yeah. Pretty decent. A little rusty. Left it out in the rain before. But, pretty sure these sights, yeah, these are metal. I can probably take this off, put it on this one. Definitely use this as a parts deal. But as you can see, this is metal, but very thin. This is harder metal. You see it's coated. It's bigger. Looks a whole lot better, and pretty sure this shiueh is going to be a whole lot better than this. I don't even know if it has a brand name. Yeah, it's just kind of a piece of crap. Anyways, I don't use it anymore. But this is definitely going to be a use for me now. So that was my kind of unboxing video. of the house shiueh 80-pound pistol crossbow. I'll come back with a review after I've got this all built. So thanks for watching.